So, Summerslam tier arrives tomorrow. I'm really happy about that because it can go into Money in the Bank in 7 days, so let's just get into it. First, let's start off things by showing the pictures they released with a Shinsuke Nakamura Summerslam tier card. He starts off in the 1,900s, which is really good. So, I don't know why SummerSlam is better than WrestleMania tier, because I don't get it. And now let's get into Alexa Bliss. I'm aiming for that in Money in the Bank, if that is in Money in the Bank. And so let's continue with Big Kaz and Enzo. Awesome. Terrible, Simon Gotch and Aiden English. Dana Brooke. And Samoa Joe. So, those are these SummerSlam cards they released so far. Awesome. So, let's go into Supercard and I'll tell you more about what happened. If you remember from my last video, I pro'd a Survivor Seth Rollins and I got myself into Survivor tier. So after that, you know in the video how I did one match and I tried to reset the draft board, because that usually happens when you go into a new tier, you get that card from a tier. So I was playing and I reset the board and I pulled a Survivor, Roman Reigns. Yeah, I fully trained him, and yes. And this morning in Team Glory, I pulled myself a legendary Brie Bella. And from King of the Ring, one time in King of the Ring I got myself a Booker T, so now I can pro it from the Logan bonus. Okay, I'm definitely getting that photo out because that can get us for 8 weeks. Okay, now I'm just retweeting all my photo, all those. Retweet. 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 And I retweeted that already. So, like, comment, subscribe.